Okay, so I decided with my last test that it wasn't fair to have the DJI Neo just take off using one of its automated functions. So instead I'm going to do manual mode using the app and see if it'll take off in the dark. I have it here, I have it turned on in my seat. We're going to test this out real quick and see if it'll take off inside the car in a very, very, very dark atmosphere. This hoodie makes it look like it's a lot brighter than it is, but you can see in the back of my car it is dark. So we're going to turn on our DJI Fly app. We're going to hit takeoff and see what happens. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it worked. Oh, he's drifting though. So it went down. Because even though it was in manual control, it couldn't lock in on anything. So it's somewhere back here on the floorboard. I got it. I got it. So, it's okay. It's fine. It didn't get hurt or anything. So, at least it's a trooper. Good thing it's got the propeller guards. But, again, I know a lot of people probably will comment. I just posted the other one. Let me turn this off. I know the one that I just posted of the automated follow mode, I have a feeling, just because I know how people are, they're probably going to comment and say, well, that's not fair because that's automation, that's not manual. If you connect to the app, it'll probably work. So I was like, you know what? They're probably right, these people that haven't even commented yet. So I was going to test it. And now you see that it did not do well. So anyways, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Love you. Bye.